Let's discuss factorization by grouping in pairs. So factorization by grouping in pairs is generally used to factorize an expression with 4 terms or more, generally. Okay, let's look at this expression with 4 terms here. So how can we factorize this by grouping in pairs? So what you do, create pairs with the highest common factor. Like we have pairs, the first pair here, term 1 and term 2, then term 3 and term 4. Because the first term and second term here, they have what? A common factor, which is what? Which is A. Then the third and the fourth, they have the highest common factor also, which is B there. Okay, it should be the highest common factor, not just a common factor, but the highest common factor. Right, so then what do? We factorize each pair. So we're going to factorize the first pair, which is A, and then P plus Q. We've factored out A from the first two, and then the last two, we factor out B plus B, and then P plus Q. And we have created a common bracket here, which is P plus Q. And then we factor it out. So we say P plus Q outside the bracket, and then A times P plus Q divided by P plus Q, that is A. Then B times P plus Q divided by P plus Q, that is B. We just know that your second bracket is going to be formed by this coefficient of the bracket and then this coefficient of the bracket. So we factorized by grouping in pairs. So we can also group them like this. Let's say we have first and the third, and then we have this one and this one. We have rearranged them. Here is AP. Do we have something common here? Yes, we have P. Do we have something common there? Yes, it's Q. So the highest common factor for the first pair is P. Factor it out, and then A plus B. Then for the second pair, the highest common factor is Q. Factor it out, and then A plus B. And then we have our A plus B, the common bracket. And then this coefficient and this coefficient, they form the second bracket, which is P plus Q. Okay, we have factorized them. That's how we factorize by grouping in pairs.